Are you ready to begin your journey to becoming a mortgage loan originator in Arizona, but are feeling a bit overwhelmed on how to get started? Don't worry, we're here to help you every step of the way. The first step in obtaining your license is to get an NMLS account through the nationwide mortgage licensing system and registry. Once registered, you'll get an individual NMLS ID number that will stay with you throughout your entire career. This ID is kind of like your social security number for your Arizona license and any other states you may choose to license in the future. Next, you need to complete 20 hours of NMLS-approved pre-licensing education. Now, Arizona might be known for its stunning deserts, sizzling temperatures, and cacti as far as the eye can see, but they also have some specific education requirements. Specifically, Arizona requires 3 hours of federal law, 3 hours of ethics, 2 hours of non-traditional mortgage lending, 8 hours of electives, and 4 hours of Arizona state-specific education. You can find the SAFE 20 and Arizona pre-licensing education courses at mymortgagetrainer.com. And here's a little oasis of good news. If you've already completed the SAFE 20 course for another state, you'll just need the 4 hours of Arizona state-specific education. Once your coursework is done, start studying for the SAFE National MLO exam. You need to pass this exam with a score of 75% or higher. The exam is 190 minutes long, costs $110, and has 120 questions. Schedule your exam through your NMLS account. If you don't pass the first time, you can retake it after a 30-day wait. After 3 attempts, you'll have to wait 6 months before being able to try again. You'll also need to complete an FBI criminal background check and get fingerprinted. Start this process through your NMLS portal. From your portal, you will authorize the background check, schedule your fingerprinting appointment, and pay the $36.25 fee. Next, you'll need to authorize a credit report through the NMLS. This will cost $15 and is also done through your NMLS portal. After passing your exam, completing your background check, and authorizing your credit report, you're ready to apply for your Arizona Mortgage Loan Originator license. Go to your NMLS portal to complete the individual form, MU4, and pay the required fees, which are $350 for the Arizona application fee, and a license fee ranging from $37.50 to $187.50, depending on the time of year you license. And then there's an additional $30 fee for NMLS processing. Once you find a job with a mortgage broker or lender, your employer will submit a sponsorship request. Arizona will review the request and either approve or reject it. If you're not yet employed, your license will be approved inactive until you get a sponsor, but keep in mind that you cannot conduct business with an approved inactive status. Upon sponsorship approval from Arizona, congrats are in order because you are officially licensed to do business in Arizona. My Mortgage Trainer is your trusty sidekick for all your Arizona MLO pre-licensing education needs. We offer both the SAFE 20 course and the 4-hour Arizona state-specific course, complete with free test prep materials. If you're dealing with test anxiety or just the anxiety of starting something new, you're not alone. We're here to help every step of the way. Are you ready to get started yet? Click the link below for more information or call us directly at 317-566-0425 to chat with one of our awesome team members. And hey, while you're at it, show us some love by hitting that like button, subscribing, and dropping a comment. As a proud veteran-owned business, we're dedicated to serving you.